Hi guys, welcome to exam updates. In this video, I'm going to tell you what you will get in an Amazon welcome kit. Recently, I have been selected in Amazon as an HR associate. Amazon sets a welcome kit to every employee. If you want to know how I got into Amazon, I'll definitely try to make a video on how you get into Amazon. Till then, please leave a comment in the comment box. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment box. Before starting the video, please like the video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. So let's get into the video. So this is the box which I got yesterday from Amazon, and today in this video we'll just check it out what's there in the Amazon box. So we have already unwrapped it, we have cut it enough, so let's check it out. And wow, what we are getting, brilliant. So let's start from this. So this is an optical mouse from Dell, and yeah, ratings and everything is given. And yeah, just a pouch here, and let's check what is in the pouch. So we are just checking. Yeah, these are the headset what we got with it's a branding, it's a premium branding called Poly. Quick start, and the directions are given, and these are the instructions to use. And this is, and a handy bag as well, so there's nothing more in the bag. And this is a Dell keyboard. You know, when you work in the Amazon, you will require such accessories which will be provided by company itself. And see here, the ratings are given and everything. So it's a backlit keyboard, and it's really a good one. So every Amazon package comes with a note. Here is the note, and it says don't turn on till day one. That is actually, it is for the laptop. We should not turn on it for till the day one, until and unless we are asked to. And this is the charger, the laptop charger which I was given, and it says 65 watts. It says 65 watt charger. It is 65 watt. And then we have a beautiful bag here, a beautiful bag of Wildcraft, and it's pretty amazing. Let's check if there is anything in the bag. So, and it's a genuine warranty card. And yeah, let's check in the back if there are anything else, any item still present. So there is nothing in the back, I guess, I hope so. Yeah, it is pretty empty, and this bag is to keep the laptop. And the final one, the final we have is the laptop, which is opened because it is sent after checking only. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is a beautiful laptop which I received. Just open it. Yeah, here you go. This is a handy mini laptop which we are getting, and it's written as Intel i5, and it's pretty decent, you know. And so this is what we get.